Hello parents, this is Mrs. Bird. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get an extension that will let you your child write on their touchscreen. So that'll work for like a touchscreen laptop, Chromebook. It will let you use the mouse then to write on the desktop screen, but that's going to be very difficult for your kindergartner to write with a mouse. So in that case, it would be much easier just to let them write with a pencil, paper, or marker and whiteboard. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to be going to look for Chrome extensions. So I'll just Google Chrome extensions, and it's going to pop up the Chrome Web Store extensions. And in the extensions, you're looking for PageMarker. I'm sure there are others, but that's the one I found first, and it's worked well for me. So I'm adding to Chrome, add extension, and then the red marker is going to pop up top here. Now, if you don't see that red marker, you need to click on this puzzle piece and go down to the page marker and make sure that that blue pin, or that pin is blue. If it's not blue, then you won't see it up here in the extension bar. So click on it to make it there. Now, that will let your child draw. So if, say, your teacher, go to Google Classroom, had assigned a handwriting activity, go to classwork. That'll make it much easier to find. And then here is a handwriting A page. So I'm going to click on the activity, and it pulls up this handwriting page. Now, your child could use their finger, or if they have a stylus, they could use that. Or if that's not working, just paper, pencil. But click on that page marker extension, and if they like the color, they can use it, or they can click on the color, and it's going to let them choose a new color. So my favorite color is purple, so I'll pick it. Then I'm going to tap that color again and hold it down actually to make it disappear. Then I can actually draw on the screen. If I want it thicker, or I want to, first I'll erase because I didn't get quite on the line like I had hoped. But you can also make it a little thicker, which does make it easier to get where you would like. So then they can practice writing on the screen, and it is just kind of fun because then they can switch colors. They can do rainbow if they wanted. Okay, now here is one pretty cool thing. You can save a picture of this. This little arrow that goes down that has this open shape underneath it, you can click it, and it's going to automatically take a screenshot. Okay, so then I can open up my screenshot. Now, it may automatically save, so it did go ahead. Yesterday it was wanting to, but today looks like it is making a screenshot for me in my downloads. So I already have it. Or if you wanted to rename it, you can click these three dots, save as, and then I have it set to go to a screenshot folder, but I can name it letter A handwriting so that it's easy to find. I'm going to replace it. I've practiced this a lot. I'm going to close that out. It's popped up an untitled window. You're going to want to close that out as well. And then once I am all done with this, I'm going to press close on my page marker extension. And then I can go back to the classwork. Now, if I go to view assignment at the bottom here, now over here it says your work. And at this point, if you did take a picture of something, you can add it. I'm going to go File, select Files from your device, and you may have to look for wherever you put it. I have it already set because I've practiced this a bunch. So I'm going to add it. You can add more than one if you wanted, and then click Upload. then your teacher can see that you did it. And then you can press turn in. If you don't press turn in, your teacher won't see that. Now, let's say that downloading and uploading, that's just too much for right now when we're all learning how to use this stuff. I'm sure that your teacher would be just fine if you just let them know, hey, we did do this at home, or we did it on paper pencil, and let them know that you did do it by just mark as done. Okay, that's going to turn it in and let them know, even though it says you didn't attach handwriting activity, I know it's a little bit tricky, so I'm sure that the teacher would be fine if you just put, I did do it, because we trust you, and mark is done. Okay? And if you need to change it or add something else, you can unsubmit, and it'll let you do it again, and then you can add something or resubmit it. All right. Thank you for joining me.